Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given an expression minus 6 plus 6 times 7 by 6. So let's start with today's video solution. Many people solve it like this. They cancel out the numerator and denominator and minus 6 and they take it 1 plus 1 times 7 and they solve it from left to right. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 times 7, that is minus 35, which is a wrong approach and wrong answer. You can't solve it like this. You have to follow certain rule to solve this type of question. So I am going to solve the PEMDAS rule here. If you are confused to see it like this, you can write like this: 6 plus 6 times 7 in bracket and then divide 6. So first you have to follow the parenthesis. First solve this, and in parenthesis there is a sign subtraction, addition and multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, where parenthesis, exponent, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So you have to give preference to multiplication first. So minus 6 plus 6 times 7 is 42 divided by 6. Now minus 6 plus 42, minus plus is minus. Minus 6 plus 42 is 36. Here 42 is a bigger number and their sign is positive, so we'll take positive 6. Divided 6. Now you can write it like in fractions. 36 divided by 6 is 6. So the correct answer is 6, not negative 35. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. If you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.